I'm a routines guy. I wake up every day in the morning, brush my teeth, make my bed, drink a liter of water right after making my bed, then I grab my phone, my Mi Fit band, go to the other room to meditate for at least 3 breaths. That's my morning routine. And I've been doing something similar to this for the past, 2 or 3 years? But why? Why routines? Well, 1, routines keep me sane, and 2, it helps me during uncertain times when I'm trying to have some sort of control over my life and not rot in hell. And an even cooler thing is, routines often help me automate certain behaviors that helps me reach my goals. So, how do you make one? First, decide what you want. Do you want a daily routine, a weekly, or a monthly, or a yearly routine? Daily routine is something that you do on a daily basis or a set number of days in a week. Say, I'm going to draw every day for 5 days of the week, or create a drawing every day. A weekly routine would be something like, I'm going to practice my craft for 2 hours every Saturday morning. And a monthly and a yearly routine would be something like, I'm going to draw for at least 6 minutes a day for 100 days. I've been doing this exact routine for the past 3 years. May 1st to August 8th, every day for 100 days. Every year, I draw for 6 minutes or more. That is my daily sketch yearly routine. The thing is, you gotta decide what works for you and what fits your temperament and make it sustainable. And that is the second point. Pick a sustainable routine that you can stick to realistically. The reason why I pick 6 minutes is that it helps me start. I do more than 6 minutes obviously on most days, but on some days when I'm feeling tired or filled with other work or have other obligations, I just show up, do my 6 minutes and just call it off, right? It helps me stay consistent, which is very, very important. If I had learned anything in the past few years, it's this. A suboptimal plan that you can follow consistently is way better than an optimal plan which you'll drop in like 2 weeks. So once you figure all of this crap out, you gotta schedule it. Pick a time of day that works for you and schedule your routine. This is the place where you install your thing. And if you install your particular routine that is sustainable for you, that works for you, that fits your temperament in the right time of day, it will work. So yeah, that's how you create an art routine, or that's how I've done it. And also, at the end of the day, don't beat yourself up if you don't do it. That's not the point. Points over perfection. Aim for like scoring points or trying to get a streak or trying to be perfect with your routine. That's not the point. The more you do it, the better.